Banging hot. I was like, yeah, y'all need shots, obviously. Got like 4. See, there it is.
Are you gonna take a good photo or not?
This is recording.
Oh!
This is gorgeous. Hands down, the best people ever.
You're better off taking a photo.
Oh no.
These are good.
Let's
Make
kick
your
it.
nose
Last
run
night was
now.
good.
You're not getting any of these. So take your big old nose somewhere else.
Yeah, go away.
Go away, yeah.
Sam? What's up, dog? I'm gone.
I was hungry when I was there. They did have food, but I didn't see too many people eating.
No. No one was eating there.
They're just drinking.
They're drinking heavily. That's what we started doing.
Yeah.
Falling over.
That's pretty cool because they had 3 bars, but the hip hop bar and the,
I was getting down and I was like, fuck.
but the other bar was going pretty good too. But the other bar was going pretty good too. Let's see. They're playing Man in the Box, Alice Chains. And they played some AC/DC too.
They were playing like Tuesday.
You got it on your lip.
They're playing like everything goes.
Yeah, it was pretty good.
God, that was amazing.
We had fun.
She doesn't even know that
Wasn't that
that's her
amazing?
fry.
What?
I-
That's my